You know, we wanted to do something with Helen's Hope Chest, honestly, because when we first got into becoming foster parents ourselves, they helped us when we had kids come in with nothing but a diaper on.
So Helen's Hope Chest began in 2009 by Mason United Way when funding for children in foster care, their clothing allowance was cut in half. Our mission is to provide basic necessities to children and teens in foster and kinship care while reducing the financial burden on their foster placements.
So what we're doing at the Big Helper Realty Group this year is for every home that we sell, we're going to donate one of these comfort kits.
Organizations like Helen's Hope Chest are there to help in many ways, not only by providing clothing and books and toys, but also a support network so that when you encounter something that maybe you didn't know you were going to encounter, you have the support that you need to be able to do this.